Welcome to Technia TV. Hello everyone. I am Sheetal Badesra, Assistant Professor from Department of Management, Technia Institute of Advanced Studies. In our last lecture, we studied about the product development life cycle with its strategies in different stages. And today we'll be discussing about what is pricing, what are the factors affecting pricing decision. So let's begin with what is a price. Price is the money charged for a product or service. Everything that a customer has to give up in order to acquire a product or service. According to economist view, price is a set by the force of supply and demand. According to customers view, price has to represent good value. According to marketers view, pricing is an opportunity to gain a competitive edge. Price is an important element of marketing mix. It can be used as a strategic marketing variable to meet competition. It is also a direct source of revenue for the firm. It must not only cover the cost but leave some margin to generate profit for the firm. However, price should not be so high so as to frighten the customers. Price is also an element which is highly perceptible to customers and significantly affects their decisions to buy a product. In general, price directly determines the quantity to be sold. That is why electric fans are sold at lower prices and hotels reduce their tariffs during off-season periods to attract customers. Now, let's discuss about factors affecting pricing. The factors affecting pricing decisions are varied and multiple. Basically, the prices of products and services are determined by the interplay of five factors, including demand and supply condition, production and associated cost, competitions, buyers' bargaining power, and perceived value. We would like to divide them as internal factors and external factors. Let's discuss them one by one. Number 1, internal factors. Marketing objectives and pricing objectives. Pricing objectives may be, as stated earlier, profit objectives includes return on sales investments and maximization of profits. Sales objectives includes increasing sales volume and increasing the market share, and maintenance objectives includes price stabilizing and matching the competition. Pricing objectives must not be in conflict with marketing objectives of the firm. Number 2, marketing mix strategy. Price of a product or service is highly influenced by other elements of marketing mix. The product life cycle through which the product is passing through, or the kind of sale. In the introductory product life cycle, the liberal return policies, the prices is likely to be high. If the product requires services and those services are to be provided free, naturally the product will be highly priced. Number 3, cost. Cost of a product is the single most important factor that influences the final price. 6 steps need to be identified while evaluating the cost price structure. Number 1, define the existing price structure. Number 2, identify the price of competing products for each item in the product line. Number 3, decide which product items need attention. Number 4, calculate the profitability of the current product or service mix. Number 5, identify products and services for price change. And number 6, define the new price structure in the company. Number 4, organizational considerations. All the marketers are to make profit. Profit is a function of cost, demand, and revenue. Hence, their relationship must be understood by pricing managers. The cost may be fixed cost or variable cost. Break-even analysis is one unique technique to understand relationship between cost and price. Next is external factors. Number 1, nature of market and demand. What is the expectations of market about the products or services? What is the demand level for the product at different prices? Market must also be understood whether there is a monopoly, perfect competition, oligopoly, monopolistic competition or duopoly. To understand demand, the supplier or marketer prepares demand curves for that product at different prices. The marketer prepares separate curves for normal products and prestige goods. In addition to understanding price and quantity relationship, the marketer must determine the price elasticity of demand to understand price sensitivity of customers. Number 2, competition. There might be pure competition, means many buyers and sellers who have little effect on the price. Monopolistic competitions means many buyers and sellers who trade over a range of prices. Oligopolistic competition means few sellers who are sensitive to each other's pricing or marketing strategies. Or pure monopoly means single seller, and in each situation price determines will be different. The competition may arise from different sources. Directly similar products like Coke and Pepsi, available substitutes, speed post versus couriers, or unrelated products seeking the same rupee cricket match versus cinema, Coke versus juice, New Year dinner versus vacations for 3 days, etc. Pure monopoly means single seller, and in each situation price determination will be different. Number 3, other environmental factors including economy, resellers and government. Economic conditions, reseller needs, government actions, social concerns do play an important role in price fixation. Inflation in an economy is an important factor in pricing. In India, during last 2 years, the inflation has been a great burden on the common man, and even the government has failed to do anything. During recessionary conditions, the price level drops to maintain the same level of turnover. Presently, due to increased rate by Reserve Bank of India, the manufacturers have to pay a higher cost of capital, which will be reflected in price to be charged. Resellers' needs are important in price determination. If you remember, petrol pump dealers went on strike a number of times, and finally the oil marketing companies had to agree the margin for the resellers. It will naturally reflect in the final price to be charged to the customers. In some cases like butter, the retailers have to manage facilities like deep freezers, which have both a capital cost and operating cost. The manufacturer will have to provide a larger margin to them. Government's concern about pricing are reflected in laws and regulations. Government regulations include price controls, import duties, quotas and taxes. Recent decline of rupee value vis-a-vis dollar also affects the price of imported products or products using imported spares. The volatility in international markets also affects the prices at home. The oil marketing companies were left with no alternatives except to increase the price of petrol when the oil prices in international market went up. Number 4, willingness to pay. Knowledge of consumers' reservation price, the price at which a consumer is indifferent between buying and not buying the product, or willingness to pay, reservation price at which the consumer's utility begins to exceed the utility of most preferred item, is central to any pricing decision. Willingness to pay is important not only for pricing but equally important for new product development, value audits and competitive strategy. Number 5, product line differentiation. For vertically differentiated products lines, companies are able to charge higher prices. Companies often add a high price product into the line to increase the demand for a product with middle level price. For a product in a horizontally differentiated product line tend to be uniform. Retailers charge the same for different flavors of yogurts, same price for clothes of different sizes. All the car manufacturers have different prices to cater to different market segments. Number 6, positioning strategy. Positioning strategy involves choice of target market and creation of a differential advantage. Price can be used to convey this differential advantage and to appeal to a certain market segment. Price is a powerful positioning tool for many people as an indicator of quality, especially in products like drinks, perfumes, and services where quality cannot be accessed before consumption. Number 7, new product launch strategy. While launching new products, price should be carefully aligned with promotional strategy. High price and high promotion is called a rapid skimming strategy. This was all about the factors affecting pricing strategy. I hope you have understood the same. For more videos like this, subscribe Technia TV. Thank you.